Fall is a great time for dividing and relocating plants, and that's exactly what we're here to do today. The homeowners wanted to tidy up the front yard a bit, and they would also like screening in the backyard. But the budget is tight. So I had my crew dig up the old rhododendrons from the front yard and put them all the way in the backyard. Hey, Derek.
Hey, Jen.
What do you think of the blank palette?
I think it's changed a little bit, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
You never know what you're going to find underground, too. That was underneath one of the rhododendrons. What does that say?
Department of the Navy, United States of America.
Cool.
Yeah.
And a religious artifact.
Yeah.
So that aside, what do you think of this whole new space? What are your plans?
Well, I think we're going to have a much better view of the porch now. Having some color in the landscape is going to be really important because the house is going to be a gray color. So, yeah, those pops of color in the plantings are really going to make a difference,
right,
to offset that.
So we will pick shrubs to complement the color and help it all tie and flow together while not covering the deck and letting it be breathable. There's one plant up back that I want to show you. I think it's going to be perfect to anchor right here.
Sounds good.
Okay, Derek, here are the rhododendrons from the front. This one's already found its new home. This one is awaiting its new home, but I think it's going to be going back here in this corner where I found this really beautiful Japanese threadleaf maple. Can you tell me about this?
It never really had the opportunity to grow much more than it has in the last 9 years since I put it in, along with these couple of hydrangeas on either side.
What I think is that how the sun rotates around, this gets absolutely no sunlight. So if we pull it out and transplant it to a new home, and then I think these can be in addition to the back property line, the 2 hydrangeas, it's like moving furniture around,
yeah,
but in a safe way. So I'm gonna have the guys start to dig this one up, and then we're gonna work on the willow.
Yeah, that's good. I think this color is going to look really good up there too.
I think it's going to complement what you picked.
Good idea. You know, my wife and I really love this really hairy, bushy tree or shrub, or
you know
what
what?
is
It's
this?
actually a shrub.
Yeah.
It's called a dappled willow, and it's in the Salix family. So it's not a willow tree, but it's a shrub, and it's at least 50 years old. Look at the base of it.
Yeah.
And it's provided great screening for you, but it needs a little love. We need to take off these suckers. A lot of them, it'll give more energy to the tree. So, and it'll also clean up the appearance, expose this bark, and then contain it, pull it away from your house because you don't want any squirrels to be able to jump over on your new place. So, you know, tuck it back a couple feet and just give it a nice shape because I'm sure it's a great screen between you and your neighbor.
Sounds good.
Here's what I brought for you.
All right.
Some gloves to do a little pruning.
Sounds good.
Got some pruners. Okay, so basically what you do, I want to take a lot of these suckers off to expose this bark and give a little more energy to the tree. So just get as close as you can, as close to there, and then you just snip it, right? So there's a nice clean cut. So just go like this, and we're going to do this all around the base of the tree.
Great.
And I'll just clean it up.
Should I grab like this one here?
Yeah,
or?
go for that one. Excellent, good, nice angle on that cut, that was great.
Thanks.
All right, and then yeah, just keep on going. There's tons over there.
Yeah.
It's important to have nice sharpened pruners when you're pruning, nice clean pruners as well, so you don't transmit any diseases.
This is the most attention the shrub has received in the entire time we've owned this house.
Okay, Derek, let's take a step back and to look at the overall shape. The suckers are out. It's got lots of air circulation below. We took it back from the house. And you know what? I think when all the leaves emerge in the spring, it's going to be nice and tight and clean. All right, so this is the location for the Japanese maple from the back. And look how happy it is going to be. It's not jammed up against the fence. There's air circulation, got the sunlight coming in, and I really think it's a good spot for it.
Yeah, plus it gives us that pop of color that we've been talking about here in the corner of the house with the neutral house, the gray color behind it.
I think we're off to a great start here. See you in a little bit.
Yeah, I appreciate all your work.
No worries.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.